Lobster Bash
2019.
19, yeah.
Woo! Our first time, our first time.
As we're having a great time. Come join us.
6 visits so far, baby. Loving it. I think it's 6, might be 7, might be 8.
We're here for Lobster Bash. It's probably the 8th time we've come. And thanks to MarineMax, we get an opportunity to get away every single year and see a lot of our friends and enjoy the boating dream.
Welcome to the 10th Lobster Bash. We're here outside of Opa's Impulse, this beautiful 27-meter from our Grande collection. Why don't you come on board and meet the owners? This is really an awesome boat. I rode in it here and it was a smooth ride. So hi guys, this is Sandy, the owner of this beautiful boat, and his wife, also the owner of this boat, Bonnie. Their best friends here, Steve and Cheryl.
How you doing?
And we're just enjoying a little drink here while we do immigration so we can go and start our party. Thank you for coming with us and come to the next Lobster Bash. This is awesome here.
Fellow boaters and friends, this is Kyle Roni with MarineMax Pompano and MarineMax Palm Beach, and I want to thank you for attending our 10th annual Lobster Bash here in Bimini, Bahamas. It's been an amazing trip, and I hope that you had the time of your life and got to make new memories with friends, family, and make new friends. Can't wait to see you here next year.
Gonzales here from MarineMax Miami. I just wanted to take a minute and thank all of you for participating in our 10th annual Lobster Bash. 73 boats, over 350 customers. It's been a heck of a weekend, and we can't wait to do it again.
This is Scott Warnecke for MarineMax in Palm Beach. I just wanted to thank all of our friends and customers for coming to the 10th annual Lobster Bash. We hope to see you next year. We had such a great time. Thank you.
Hey everyone, Paul Cummings here.
Can you believe this is our 10th annual Lobster Bash here in Bimini? What an amazing weekend we've had. The weather's been outstanding. This year we had over 70 boats make the trek over across the Atlantic Ocean. I look forward to seeing everybody here for our 11th annual next year.
On behalf of MarineMax, I just want to thank everybody for coming out. Here's to another 10 years of Lobster Bash.